Good morning. Today we are going to make some soilless potting mix. You are probably wondering, what is the point of soilless potting mix? Well, let me tell you. This stuff is awesome for planting seeds and starting cuttings in. And you're asking yourself, okay, well, seeds need nutrients. Well, no, they don't. What seeds need to germinate is moisture and heat, the same as cuttings. You can also use this as a soil amendment to improve the quality of your soil. Now, I don't know if I had mentioned this in other videos, but I live in Southwest Florida, and we have sand, a lot of sand. Sand is good for drainage. Unfortunately, when you use your liquid fertilizers, you are draining it all the way into the water table. There is some clay here. Clay is actually more nutritious than what people give it credit for. The problem with clay is it gets wet, and when it dries, it gets hard, and it's very difficult for anything to grow in it. You want better clay, add a little bit of sand, and of course organic matter. You want better quality soil. For sandy, you add more organic matter and, compost and stuff. So, let's get here making the potting mix. So I have peat moss. See, it's upside down. But we want 2 parts of peat moss. You want to pack that down in there a little bit. Make it, Reason I'm using one of these sour cream containers is, well, peat, and this is perlite. Very difficult to measure with the shovel. We'll put that in here, and then we're going to do another 2 parts of peat moss. 2. And then here we go with some vermiculite. 1 part of that as well. Okay. Mix this all up together. And then voila. Whew, my hand's dirty. Okay, let me get over here and sit down. Whew. Now, perlite and vermiculite are similar. Perlite soaks up moisture, as well as peat moss retains moisture. Perlite and vermiculite slowly release the moisture in them back into the soil as the soil dries. Now, the difference between perlite and vermiculite is vermiculite has organic matter in it. So as it breaks down into your soil, it releases a small amount of nitrogen. This also helps when the seedlings start coming up. The seedlings need need to be fed. The seeds don't. You don't need to worry about transplanting your seedlings until they have the first or second set of true leaves. When I get some compost, I will instruct y'all on how to make compost tea. It is very easy, and you make it up as you go along. Now, as you can see, plant life here at the moment leaves a lot to be desired. But I am in the process of moving here and starting from scratch. So this should be a nice tail to tail on turning this into a subtropical paradise here. Okay, there we go. Soilless potting soil. What will they think of next? I'll see you next time.